welcome to the funnel roadmaps module. In this module, we have a ton of different funnel roadmaps or flows and sequences of pages showing you exactly what page to choose for a specific offer, whether that's for yourself or for a client. So if you're a funnel agency owner or funnel designer, you can use this to show clients like, hey, these are the pages that we're going to build for you. This is the strategy. Here's where your offer fits in. Basically get them to see like, man, that makes sense. And now they want to hire you. And if you want to use these for your own business, you can take a look at all the different types and say, okay, I'm going to use a freebie funnel, a lead funnel to get leads and then upsell them something on the back end. So with that said, let's just dive in. I'm going to share my screen and show you 10 different funnel types, from homepage funnel to lead generation funnel, low ticket funnel, tripwire, VSL, event, online course, high ticket homepage, SaaS, and a social media profile funnel. Basically what we have is a homepage funnel with 4 different steps depending on your offer type. So what I mean by that is, first you have a homepage that builds credibility and authority. So if this is a template, you can find the link below this video to download the template. And it has all the steps in there. I'm going to also show you different examples. Basically what this is the structure, what you can use to showcase your offers, testimonials, all of that good stuff, your community, and again, build trust with people. Then we go to the next one, thank you page and special offer page. So here you can have, if someone clicks here, you can have it to where it goes to a opt-in page such as this one, or you can just have a pop-up where they can add their email info and download something. So no matter if you're selling something on the phone or to an order form, you can send people to that from the special page. But let's just use this as an example, free funnel template. The next logical step would be, hey, check your email for access to the starter kit. By the way, here's a one-time special offer. And this is an offer that I had a while ago, so it's not available anywhere. And then as you check it out, you can see it's pretty simple, not too complicated. Click here, say no more, I'm in, and they go to the order form. But let's say on this page, you wanted to do something different and say, hey, now you've downloaded your free ebook. By the way, if you would like to schedule a call to see how I can help you with one-on-one coaching, go and book a call with my team or myself, and we'll see if we're a good fit. That would then take them to something like this, where you have calendar, video testimonials, explaining kind of how it works, get them excited, and then you get them to fill out this questionnaire and application to qualify them before they get on the phone. So in that case, you have application and then confirmation. So you choose application or order form. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the homepage funnel. You have a simple confirmation depending on if it's order form, you say, hey, congrats, here's how you get access. If it's application, you say, hey, I look forward to speaking with you soon, that sort of stuff. So now let's go to a lead generation funnel. So in this case, we just have traffic from organic or paid to an opt-in page. Again, it could be something like this. Make sure you go and get your free template. That way we get leads, and then we have a confirmation page. Simple lead generation funnel, which I usually throw this up, when I make a video or something, and I get leads like on a daily basis from just stuff I put out there that people can download for years to come, and just to provide value. So I don't always have upsells. And so in those cases, I get a lead, it's a simple confirmation page, and then I add them to my email sequences that later on sells them something. So it's more to build trust and provide value. Then we have low ticket funnels, sales page. Again, we have a simple sales page that just sells one offer. So it's not a homepage where you build trust, credibility, and all that. For your brand, it's more for that specific offer. And obviously the brand is a part of that. Order form, one-time offer or upsell. They can click, yes, I want this. No, I don't want this. And then confirmation. You can download all of these, print them out, or just make a copy of this file. There's a link below this video as well to this file with all these 10 roadmaps. Tripwire is if you're selling something that, like you're running ads, for an example, and you pay in $30, you want to make $30 back, you get a customer for free, and now you grow your business and sell more on the back end to increase the profit. So opt-in page to a thank you plus sales page, pretty similar to what we had here. And then order form, upsell, confirmation, very simple. VSL, you have an opt-in page, and someone basically is what you say is, here's my free training that teaches you this thing. And here's what you're going to learn in the training. And then they add their email, takes them to the VSL. And again, you have, if it's a low ticket, like below 1,000, you can have an order form. If it's above that and you want to speak to people, qualify them, answer their questions, make sure they're a good fit, application, confirmation page. Event funnel, sales page, order form, VIP upsell if they want a VIP access to the event with special perks, and then confirmation. Online course, as a funnel designer, I do a lot of these, and it's great to show them, hey, here's a sales page that I've built. What we're gonna do is have the sales page, go to an order form. I'm gonna upsell them with something else. If it's a lower ticket, like 97 course, you can add a 297 more, the next step. Here's you're learning this thing. And then in this course, you're gonna learn the next step. For example, funnel design and then traffic. Two separate things. They fit well together. But not everybody wants let's say it's YouTube traffic, but they still want the funnel design. That's why you sort of unbox it and sell it as an upsell on top of it for people who want everything they can choose down the upsell. High ticket homepage funnel, you can use the same structure here, but you would sell a specific offer as well. So even if it's almost like a course sales page that sells the program, but because it's more high ticket, you don't send them to an order form, you send them to an application and then confirmation. So in this one, there's no download, there's no free ebook, and there's no free training they're watching. It's a sales page for your inner circle, for an example, for your coaching program, consulting. You have like premium branding. We high ticket, only work with so many people, very exclusive. And then they apply it there, confirmation page. Again, links to all of these are below this video. SaaS demo, if you have a software or a client of yours has a software, you have a sales page for the software, all the benefits, the features, the results, and then you get emails as they go and watch the demo. That way you can follow up with them, as you can tell from here. And then we have application page or order form, depending on if it's high ticket or low ticket, and then confirmation. So social media profile, this is the one that we use most to get clients for ourselves as funnel designers. If you're a business owner outside of that, this is great for getting to that 10K per month minimum before you're running any ads. So social media profile, you get up to 5,000 friends, for example, on Facebook, and then you give them like freebies and you make these 2-step comment posts where it's like, hey, just recorded a training on how to get this outcome. If you're interested, comment info below. And that way you can get hundreds of leads in literally minutes. And then you take them to an application or order form and then confirmation. So hopefully that's valuable to you. Below this video, again, there's a link to this file. Just make a copy of it, download it. If you want to print it, you can do that as well. If you're a funnel designer, you use this for your clients, you can delete the logo here. Just don't resell this as yours. So spent like so much time creating this, but you can show it as a client generating strategy to show them, here's the process that we're going to take you through. Here's the pages that we're going to build. And then you can use your portfolio to back it up and say, here's what my designs look like, and get them to think like, that's exactly what I need, and therefore hire you. So with that said, if you have any questions, let me know in the Facebook group, and I will see you in the next video.